Hello everyone! Yes guys, what's up? This is me again, ang inyong probinsyana island girl, Jassel Jack. And welcome back to my channel guys. For today's video is ituturo ko naman sa inyo kung paano i-retrieve yung ating my account sa SSS na nalalak po. Based on my experience, nalock na po yung aking my account. Kaya po siya nalalak kasi nasusobrahan po yung attempt ko ng pag-open ko ng aking account. Nakalimutan ko po kasi yung password ko. So kung nagkakaroon po kayo ng same issue tulad ng akin, maybe this video can help you guys. So if you wanna know how, just stay tuned. First thing to do guys is pupunta tayo sa ating Google Chrome, tapos search natin doon yung ss.gov.ph, tapos makikita natin yung member login, click that, tapos ilalagin lang po natin yung ating my account. Tapos kapag nakikita nyo ganito, your account is locked. So, ito na yung way guys. I-click yung my registered email address. Tapos, i-enter nyo dito yung inyong SSS number. Once done, makikita nyo rin sa baba na mayroon nakalagay na enter CAPTCHA. So, i-enter nyo lang yung code na nakalagay dyan guys. Then, click submit. After clicking submit, makikita nyo guys na sinasabi dyan, we have successfully sent to your registered email address. So, i-click nyo lang ang okay. Tapos, punta kayo sa inyong email at check nyo, i-refresh nyo lang kung pumasok na yung email ng SSS. Tapos, ayun na nga guys. I-click natin siya, tapos meron nakalagay dyan na click here. After clicking here, makikita nyo na meron nakalagay na preferred password yung nasa box guys. So dyan nyo ilalagay yung preferred password nyo. Ibig sabihin, yung password na gusto nyo gamitin at gusto nyo ipalit dun sa password nyo dati na hindi nyo na ma-open. Kayo nang bahala kung anong password na gusto nyo. Basta sundin nyo lang yung sinasabi dyan sa SSS na parang one uppercase, parang ganon, tapos strong password. Once done guys, click nyo lang yung submit, tapos antayin nyo lang mag-pop up yung okay, tapos click okay. So, yun, just click maybe next time, close, tapos ayun na, makikita mo na ang iyong account sa SSS. I-save nyo lang guys kung gusto nyo i-save ang mga details dyan. Kapag hindi naman, okay lang, just leave it. Basta, tandaan nyo lang lagi yung inyong password para next time on your next login, hindi na kayo magkakaproblema pa. So, this is me again, Jassel Jack, saying thank you so much for watching and God bless you all. Bye! Love you all guys!
The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart.